people. Booyah, baby. This is the what's it called? Corsair Crystal 460X. There's a glass. Let's go look inside of it. Like screwing things, like I screw Sandy. Take this glass thing off. Wow, look. Wires and thing that holds power supply and RGB fans through the front panel. So many screws to unscrew. Let's take this front piece off and the bang booyah. It's also glass. We're fragile and the magnets hold this thing up and wow. RGB fans. I can't do the RGB because no power supply. So oh yeah, fan cover for fans or radiator. Oh, here we go. Whoopsie. And magic! As you can see, I put some hard drives in there, 2-inch hard drives, and we're all like, oh hey look, let's eject. It's pretty cool, eject. Spring loaded, baby. I love it so much. Damn it. Fan controller, some RGB lighting, some suction cuppy thingies, I don't know what they're called. Silicone one. It's just I'm pretty sure we can make things pop higher. Let's see. Oh, there's a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and unscrew this piece. Where's the screw for this piece? Unscrew this. There we go. Come on. There we go. Now we can be all like, boop. Yeah, that'll work. Let's give it a try. Let's just tighten up this spring so it spring loads even better. I don't think it times it. Well, I just wasted some time, but yeah, I want to. Let's screw this thingy back in. Let's put the thingies back in the thingy and be all like, I want to go back. I don't want to go back. Screwing it back in the screwdriver. Okay. Let's go around back. Oh wait, look, there's some hard drive thingies also. Oh, we got some box of thingies. It's loud and clicky and I love it. Let's look at all these fans. Let's put it all back together. Oh yeah, look, there's even a little thingy down here that's like, hey, you can remove me if your power supply fan thingy is real dirty. Okay, let's go to my desk. We're out to my desk. And I'm gonna show you my list. So as you can see, I got a little stupid fucking list. And where's the motherboard? Computer, CPU, yeah, so we're gonna use one of those little thingies. It's gonna make me broke. Blech. I'm gonna buy some RGB RAM because I can. And memes. I just noticed that I earned a whole nother subscriber. Thank you very much.